Hello, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Previously, we have learned about the basics of PowerPoint, like how to start PowerPoint, how to add slides, and different types of views in a PowerPoint presentation, and changing the backgrounds of a slide. So, as we all know, the PowerPoint is a presentation software that you can use the slides to present your ideas as a slideshow. Okay, so let us start PowerPoint here. PowerPoint. So as you all know, it starts with a blank presentation. So whatever, how to change the background of a slide, for that you have to go to Design tab. In that, there are so many different themes, but I'm choosing a background style of blue color. And on a slide, you can insert a text, word arts, clip arts, even images, whatever you want to present to a group of audience. You can place it on a slide. So now I want to insert word art. So where it is on the insert tab. Okay. So first click on insert, and here under the text group, there is word art. So here I'm selecting this one, and see here, both the background color and the text color are same. So now I want to change the text color. Okay, for this I have to select this one, and then see here, word art styles. Under word art styles you have text fill. Okay, so I'm taking it as white. I'm selecting the whole one and giving this one as text here. Okay, so I'm deleting this one. So I'm selecting this one, pressing delete key, it will disappear. Okay, now I'm changing my text here. And today I want to tell you about some animations and transition in. So I'm giving animations here. Okay, so here we can apply different animations, and I'm increasing the size here. Okay, as this is 54. Okay. And so what is animation? So what is animation? A special effect. I'm typing it here. A special effect that is applied to the text and objects in a slide. So this is animation. So what is animation? If you any text or object or image, whatever it is there on the slide, whatever it is on the slide, the animation will affect to that text or particular object whatever you have selected. Okay. And what about transition? So for transition, I will add a new slide. Okay, I'll add a new slide with title and content slide. So here I want to give a transition. Okay, I'm adding a text here. Okay, and then I'm selecting this one. For selecting, Control plus A is the shortcut key. Please make sure that you use shortcut keys. Instead of using mouse, please use shortcut keys. That makes your work easy and more effective. Okay, and how to increase the size? Under home tab you have font group. You can increase the size here. Okay, then what is a transition? So the motion effect of a slide that appears on the screen during a slideshow. Okay, I'll tell you the difference exactly, what exactly it is. So I'm selecting this one and I'm increasing the size here. Okay, actually I want to insert one image here. So how to insert an image, I'll show you now. So I'm selecting this one and I'm clicking on insert tab, and under the image tab you have picture, clip arts, even a screenshot. You can insert a screenshot. Okay, and photo album, you can insert anything. And I want now a picture here, so I'm selecting a picture. So this is under pictures. So I'm taking this tulip flowers and clicking on insert. Okay, I'm adjusting all this. So I'm making changes here. So okay, so now I want to remove this bullet. So for that, what I am doing, I'm clicking here in the paragraph group. I'm clicking on none. Okay, there you will there you can see, and I'm again increasing the size according. Yes. Okay, and now coming to the animations. So what is animation? Okay, a special effect that is applied to text and objects in a slide. So for this, I'm selecting the animation. Okay, here what you have to do, click on the object which you want to animate. So I want to do animation for this word animations. Okay, I'm selecting this one. I'm selecting this one and click on animations tab. Okay, and this is the animations tab. And on the advanced animation, there is animation pane. Just click on that. Okay, and here you can see the advanced. So many options are there here, like entrance, emphasis, exit. Okay, so these are the different add effects. Okay, and a drop down menu will appear under the add animation button, and it has four groups, like I'll show you here. This is the entrance. First one, this is the entrance, and this is the emphasis, and this is the exit. Okay, and the next one is motion paths. So you can see the different groups in add effect button. So here there are different effect options. So first of all, I'm not applying anything. This is none. Okay, so this is fade. You can see when I'm moving the mouse pointer to the next option, you can see the variations fly in. Okay, if I selected this one, and you can, it this one is highlighted. Okay, you can get it in different directions. So for example, see here, this is from bottom, and this is from bottom left, and this is from left. Okay, you can see. For this fly in option, they have different effect options. If I'm not selecting this one anything, so again I have to select this. Okay, otherwise it will be disabled. Okay, this isn't floating. If I select floating, options are different. So float up or float down. Okay, so you have to choose the effects also. And and different options are there. These are the entrance options and these are the emphasis options. For example, you people cannot see if it is of spin. Just a moment. If if it is of a spin, so for example, I'm giving a bounce. Okay, if I selected this option, you can see as one object all at once by paragraph. Okay, and I didn't like this one. Okay, and if this is of wheel shape. Okay, you can see the effect options here. Okay, one spoke or two spokes. Okay, different animation effects. Okay, so if it is of spin, you can see the different effect options also. Fill color, okay, and line color, object color, transparency. Okay, you can choose as many colors, as many options as you have. Choose the desired ones which you want. Okay, and click on preview, then you will get a preview. Grow and shrink, you will get like this. Okay, so animation is an effect which is applied to a text or object which is on the slide. Which is on the slide. That is nothing but animation. Okay, again I'll show you this one. Okay, I'm selecting the whole text. Okay, and I want to add animation for this. Okay, so here this is the emphasis. If I choose any color, brush color. Okay, and under the animation pane also you can change the effect options. For example, you can see this is the red color. If I gave some other colors, you can choose here. Okay, if I gave green, and you can add sound effect also. Okay, you can increase the volume, and by letter all at once, or by word or by letter. Let us check one by one. If I gave by letter, how it will come. So it will appear like this, right? So I want to change it again. So effect options. So here I'm changing by word. Okay, and then again you can set timing also. Okay, for now I don't need the timing. So effect options, I'm changing this to none. Okay, no sound. This is not all at once. If I gave all at once, let us check one more time. Okay, you can see the effect directly. So by letter, so I like this one by letter, so I'm selecting that one. Okay, and coming to the next slide. Okay, first of all I'll select this transition and I'm clicking on animation tab and I'm giving a split. Okay, I have clicked on split, and you can see the various effect options here, that is of horizontal in, horizontal out, vertical in, vertical out. So I like vertical in, so you can see the preview here. Okay, and the next one I want this. Okay, for this I'm selecting this one, and I'm selecting this bold flash. Okay, otherwise bold reveal, you can see this one. Okay, that is the effect I'm giving. Okay, and this is the one I'm giving a random bars. Okay, for this you have various effect options like horizontal and vertical. So I'm giving vertical. Okay, and there you can see the preview. Okay, and here there is one more important thing. Okay, so here you can see on this one, on this arrow mark, you have, if you click that one, how to start this transition, how to start this animation. So you, if it is of start on click, whether you have to press a key in the keyboard or you have to press mouse, you have to click on mouse. Okay, then only it will apply. But I'll give a effect like start with previous. Okay, so this is for the transition. Okay, and the next one I'm selecting this one, and this is of second one, start with previous. Okay, now we'll check the preview here. I'm pressing F5 key, so the various effects you can see. Okay, and now I want to tell you the difference between the animations and transition. So the animations are applied to a text or image or anything about animation is applied to the text or objects that which is there on the slide. Okay, and the transition is nothing but it is applied to the slide. Okay, so that is the main difference between the transition and animation. Okay,